मैं यहाँ पे मार्च में आया था इनसे बात करने के लिए इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में, लेकिन I couldn't get a chance to really look at the place. I was not carrying suntan. I hope you guys are.
But I thought that there was a water body. So
There is.
I'm looking forward.
The place is called Kamshet Valley, which means it's right at the banks of the backwaters of a dam they have nearby. Whoa, man! Long time! Woohoo! Thanks for having us over so much. Good to see you, man. How are you doing?
Very good, very good.
Who's this new addition?
Flying. This is our Pony. Miss Bonnie.
Very cool. Acha, this is Varun.
Hi, Varun.
This is Rochelle.
Hi.
Sanjay is the guy who owns this place. Varun does excellent Hindi and Urdu poetry. Rochelle does English poems, and both of them are established poets. They perform at a lot of places. They are published as well.
One day I got a call from Anish saying that, would you want to fly? And I was like, yeah, tickets are pretty expensive these days. But he said, no, that there's another way you can fly.
he sent me an email and I was like, I think this person is nuts.
That he's trying to collaborate paragliding and poetry.
मुझे हाथ पैर नहीं तुड़वाने हैं. So that was the first thought I had.
Why I thought of this was I had done paragliding, I had learned how to paraglide, which means I didn't have anybody else pulling my strings. I had learned how to paraglide a few years ago, and when we started this YouTube channel, I thought why not use this beautiful thing which is just having a nylon cloth over the top of your head that actually lets you fly.
And when I met Anish in Thane, because I had come for some college work in Thane, and I was like, okay, this person is really talking sense.
And we are at Indus Paragliding, where we have come to paraglide and use paragliding, being up in the air, flying as a springboard for poetry itself, for expression.
Sure, let's do it.
So this is Team Indus. Now what we are going to cover, like as I welcomed you, then principles of flights, some technical stuff we are going to teach you. When you open your glider, open your kit, first thing is put on your helmet. Don't keep looking up, just to develop a good habit, break and look up. Once you keep habit of looking up, it will become your second nature, and then you will see, then you will know like where to exact see.
जाने कैसे बीत गए यूं धीमी धीमी चल के चाल, कदम कदम में कितने मील और पल पल करके कितने साल. So probably this would be another few steps and few moments which I'd be spending here.
So we are on our way on the first day of our paragliding to go for ground handling, which means we get to run around a lot with the paraglider and Varun doing all of this. Very important, sunscreen.
Oh yeah.
Because you don't want to end up using Fair and Lovely later. 15 minutes more with absolutely no shade whatsoever.
उड़ाने का बोल के लाइफ चला रहे हैं, साले मजाक चल रही है यहाँ पे हैं. Finally there's some shade.
It's a very nice place. You can see the moon, you can see the windmill. It's a very straight face cliff. And there are a lot of people who are here for paragliding, I think newbies and experienced pilots both.
So I'll introduce with the equipment now about the wing and the harness, whatever are there. So this is your ground handling glider. Yeah. called glider or canopy, we call it. You have to start with your leg struts always. Okay, so leg strut, the left one you start first. In aviation sport, you know, there's a raid on the left always. Wind direction is important. Suppose wind starts coming from here, then we have to run this way. Pull, 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 pull. Release, brake, look up, and position A. Lean forward.
Scary, it sounds scary. And we are already tired.
I think I'm going to break my arms or something. But this is fun. Let's see. I think I'm getting nervous now just because I know what I'm supposed to do.
I hope I'm going to take a slow solo flight day after, you know.
कभी कभी कुछ रास्ते बहुत सीधे होते हैं। ऐसे रास्तों पर कहीं कोई मोड़ नहीं होता, कोई दोराहा, कोई घुमाव, कोई उतार चढ़ाव नहीं होता। बहुत पीछे से शुरू होकर ये रास्ता बहुत दूर आगे अनंत तक निकल जाता है। इस रास्ते पर चलते हुए कोई दिक्कत महसूस नहीं होती, थकने का एहसास नहीं होता, पहुंचने की जल्दी भी नहीं होती, क्योंकि कितना भी धीमे कदम बढ़ाओ या कितनी ही तेज़ दौड़ लगाओ, पहुंचना कहीं नहीं होता, जैसे ज़िंदगी उठाकर किसी ट्रेडमिल पर रखती हो। जहाँ कुछ नहीं होता वहाँ शून्य होता है। इसी होने ना होने के बीच का रास्ता बहुत सीधा होता है।